Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another monthly favourites video. So, as always, we start off these videos with some products that I have been using and recommend to you guys throughout the month of March, and these are my picks for this month. There's only two. This is actually the same thing, and it just so happens that both of these are Faber-Castell brands. Not sponsored, although I kind of wish it was, but yes, these are the ones that I have been using this month and which I have been enjoying using with my coloured pencil supplies. So the first one that I have had a lot of hands-on experience with is this kneaded eraser. Now this is the one which I actually got with my Art Snacks box, so I kind of have to thank Art Snacks for bringing this to me, but it's basically just a lump of almost like blue tack. If any of you guys are, I'm not sure if my American viewers are familiar with blue tack, but it's basically a sticky substance that you stick to your wall and then you can stick stuff to the wall. I'm not sure what your equivalent is or if you know what it is, but yeah, you just use it to pick up graphite, coloured pencil, anything that's kind of down on your surface that you just want to tack up or just erase away. This is what you would use. I have found this incredibly invaluable. It is a tremendous piece of kneaded eraser. I have other kneaded erasers that I've used before. I've got this one, which I'm not exactly sure. I think this was a Winsor & Newton one, but this one is just really sticky to hold in your hands. I've also got this one which came from Stabilo, my Carbothello set, which isn't very kneadable. This is the best one that I have used, and the reason I haven't used kneaded erasers in the past is because I'm just going based on this one, which is just horrible. This is the one that I really love. It's not sticky. I mean, it is a little bit sticky, but when you peel your hands off of it, it's not actually leaving any kind of sticky residue on your hands, and it's just really nice to use. You can mold it so you can get some really kind of accurate shapes, so you can, if you want to like lift fur or whiskers, you can make it into a point like this and then just lift it off your work. I'll actually insert a little bit of a clip that I've got of this in action for you guys. This is how they usually come. This is, I think, the pretty standard. This is just the one that I found on Jackson's. The one that I got was absolutely tiny, so this is actually double the size of this lump that I have here. And yeah, they're pretty invaluable, really, really useful at lifting colour and creating marks within your coloured pencil stuff. As I said, it works absolute wonders on lifting coloured pencil, and I don't think I could actually be without this guy now. So this one is really, really useful. So if you want a good kneaded eraser, if you're a kneaded eraser enthusiast, go for this one. Everything, or the link for this will be in the description below if you want to check it out. The next product and the final one, because I haven't had much time this month to actually trial new stuff, is the Faber-Castell Pitt Artist Pen Bullet Nib in white. Again, I got this in the same box with this actually. I got this with my Art Snacks box when I did the pastel thing. And this is just basically a white, like a chalk pen. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's water fast, it's got maximum light fastness, acid free, India ink. And it's basically just a white pen that you can use to add down white highlights in your drawing. So it's light fast, so you don't have to worry about it fading or anything like that. And yeah, basically just like a Posca pen. If any of you guys have used a Posca pen previously, it's pretty much like that. It's got the same kind of nib and that kind of chalky substance. Again, I'll pop a little thing up so you can see this guy in action, but this is really useful for just adding in whiskers, white highlights in eyes, that kind of thing. So if you don't like to use a white gel pen or anything that might possibly fade, this is gonna be your friend. These are the two products that I recommend to you guys for the month of March. I'm gonna try and test out a few more things for the month of April. I've got a few more erasers. I've got this eraser to try out, so this might be featured next month, and a few other things. But yeah, this month I just haven't had that much time to actually trial stuff. But these are the ones that I have been trialling and what I recommend to you guys. So again, links below if you want to check them out. But let's get straight into the community portion of this. I asked once again on my Facebook group, asking for you guys to submit your artworks that you want featured in this video. And if you want to possibly be featured for the month of April, then pop on over to my Facebook group. The link is in the description. And every month I pop a post up and ask for your guys' art so I can feature them in these videos. So if you want that opportunity, pop along to my Facebook group. But anyway, just enjoy some relaxing music and let's get into the community portion of this video. Were some exceedingly great submissions this month. I am so impressed with each and every one of you that submits artwork to be featured in these videos. I'm sorry that I can't always feature them all, but I just try and pick out some people that I haven't featured before to showcase to you guys, and I really hope that you've enjoyed seeing the community art for this. If you're new around here and not yet subscribed and you want to see more coloured pencil and art related videos, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up with that button below. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!